The 2024 Renault Espace heralds a pivotal transformation, bidding farewell to its minivan lineage and embracing the persona of a spacious seven-seat SUV. The sixth iteration in the Espace series, this model exhibits a refined design and enhanced versatility. Having originally been launched as a minivan in 1984, the Espace's metamorphosis into an SUV represents Renault's adaptability to evolving consumer preferences. Astonishingly, the new Espace combines a reduction in dimensions with an increase in space efficiency. Although the vehicle is 5.5 inches shorter and 474 pounds lighter than its predecessor, it manages to offer a more roomy third-row seating. Based on the Renault Austral compact crossover, the 2024 Espace maintains a visually similar design, but it stands out with its stretched wheelbase and customized design elements. Engine options for the 2024 Espace are in sync with the ongoing transition toward electrification. Renault has ditched the diesel engine and opted for a full hybrid system. The system combines a turbocharged 1.3-liter petrol engine with two electric motors, churning out a total of 200 horsepower. Renault has effectively harnessed the hybrid system to significantly reduce fuel consumption by up to 40%, ensuring both performance and efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2024 Espace flaunts an abundance of cargo space and adaptable seating arrangements. With the power tailgate, users gain access to a cargo area that varies between 5.6 cubic feet when fully occupied to 64.2 cubic feet in a 5-seat configuration with the second row folded. The model also impresses with additional storage compartments scattered throughout the cabin, perfect for smaller items. Attention to detail and luxurious elements are evident in the 2024 Espace's interior. An optional panoramic glass roof elevates the spacious ambience inside the cabin. Additionally, the SUV is decked with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen, with an optional 9.3-inch head-up display. Multiple USB-C ports, 12 V sockets, and a wireless charging pad ensure devices stay powered up during journeys. The 2024 Renault Espace doesn't just stop at a hybrid powertrain, it also introduces advanced driving dynamics with its multi-link rear suspension and rear-wheel steering. This rear-wheel steering system is a standout feature that remarkably decreases the turning circle to a nimble 10.4 meters, enhancing maneuverability. With its blend of design innovation, spacious interiors, and a focus on sustainability and performance, the 2024 Renault Espace solidifies its position as a competitive offering in the SUV segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.